Imagine owning a beautiful modern home for less than the price of a luxury SUV. In 2025, these 15 American tiny home builders are making that dream a reality. And wait until you see what $50,000 can get you today. Here's what makes this video different. Every single builder on this list offers foundation-ready, move-in-ready homes starting under $100,000. Some significantly less. We're not talking about DIY shells or half-finished projects. These are complete, livable homes from reputable companies with proven track records. We're focusing on professionally built homes between approximately 200 to 500 square feet, though some builders offer larger models. All prices mentioned are base prices as of 2025, and of course, customizations will affect the final cost. Let's get started. Number 1. Zook Cabins at Glen, Pennsylvania. Starting our list at number 1 is Zook Cabins from Pennsylvania's Amish country, offering exceptional craftsmanship with their prefab modular cabins starting at just $50,000. What sets Zook Cabins apart is their blend of traditional Amish woodworking skills with modern building techniques. Their cabins feature solid wood construction, energy-efficient designs, and attention to detail that's immediately apparent in every model they offer. They provide a range of options from cozy log cabins to modern park models, with sizes ranging from 200 to 1,900 square feet. Their Park Model series is particularly impressive, offering full-time living solutions that feel spacious despite their modest footprint. Zook Cabins delivers nationwide, and their pricing includes delivery in many cases. Customer testimonials consistently praise not just the quality of their homes, but also their exceptional service, from the initial consultation through delivery and setup. For those seeking authentic craftsmanship with modern amenities at an affordable price point, Zook Cabins represent some of the finest value in the industry. Number 2. Minimalist Tiny Houses, Quebec, Canada. Our second builder is Minimalist Tiny Houses. Though based in Quebec, they deliver throughout the United States and offer exceptional quality with base prices starting around $50,000. What makes Minimalist our number 1 choice is their uncompromising commitment to quality, sustainability, and livability. As Passive House certified builders, their homes achieve extraordinary energy efficiency, making them comfortable in any climate. From Canadian winters to southern summers, each Minimalist home is custom designed for the client's specific needs, with high-end materials and thoughtful details throughout. Despite this customization, they maintain reasonable prices by focusing on efficient design and construction processes. Their homes feature full-size appliances, spacious bathrooms, and clever storage solutions that make tiny living feel luxurious rather than their homes feature full-size appliances, spacious bathrooms, and clever storage solutions that make tiny living feel luxurious rather than restrictive. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with no corners cut on quality or durability. Minimalist delivers to all 50 states, and their team provides comprehensive setup support upon delivery. For those seeking a tiny home that combines affordability, sustainability, and premium quality, Minimalist stands head and shoulders above the competition. Number 3. Tiny Topanga, Los Angeles, California. At number 3, we have Tiny Topanga, a family-owned business based in Southern California that's been crafting luxury tiny homes designed for both style and functionality. Their models start around $60,000, offering remarkable value for the craftsmanship involved. What makes Tiny Topanga special is their family-centered approach to building. Led by Israel and Rebecca, with support from Israel's father Manuel and brother Alejandro, each home receives personal attention from the entire team. Their son Leonardo is even learning the trade, representing the future of this family business. Their homes feature high-end finishes, thoughtful layouts, and are certified by Pacific West Tiny Homes, ensuring they meet rigorous safety and quality standards. The Hazy model, at 30 feet long, showcases their commitment to luxury finishes while remaining road-legal and perfect for full-time living. Tiny Topanga delivers to all 50 states, even Hawaii, making their California-inspired designs accessible nationwide. For those seeking a tiny home with personality, craftsmanship, and a touch of West Coast style, Tiny Topanga delivers exceptional quality from a team that truly understands tiny living because they live it themselves. Number 4. Wind River Tiny Homes, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Coming in at number 4 is Wind River Tiny Homes, offering custom tiny houses with an average price around $60,000. Founded in 2014, they've established themselves as masters of custom craftsmanship with a design-first philosophy. What sets Wind River apart is their commitment to creating truly personalized spaces. Each home is built to the client's specifications with options for RVIA certification or permanent foundation builds. Their Elements series offers prefabricated models designed specifically for foundation placement. Wind River homes feature high-quality materials, custom cabinetry, and creative space-saving solutions. They excel at creating homes that reflect the owner's personality while remaining highly functional. They deliver nationwide and provide a $300 post-delivery check to help with setup expenses, a thoughtful touch that demonstrates their commitment to customer satisfaction. For those seeking a truly custom tiny home experience without breaking the bank, Wind River delivers exceptional value. Number 5. Mustard Seed Tiny Homes, Alpharetta, Georgia. Our next tiny home builder is Mustard Seed Tiny Homes, with prices starting at $56,000 for their tiny models and around $95,000 for their larger park models. What makes Mustard Seed special is their combination of quality construction, modern design, and philanthropic mission. They offer 4 NOAA-certified tiny house models and 2 park models, all featuring contemporary aesthetics with farmhouse touches. Their homes include full kitchens, well-designed bathrooms, and clever storage solutions throughout. The construction quality is excellent, with attention to detail evident in every aspect of their builds. Beyond their products, Mustard Seed stands out for their commitment to giving back. A portion of their profits goes to housing assistance causes, and they partner with nonprofits on community housing projects, meaning your purchase helps others in need. Number 6. Alternative Living Spaces, Las Vegas, Nevada. Alternative Living Spaces is a Las Vegas-based company specializing in shipping container conversions. Now I know what you're thinking. Shipping containers? But trust me, these aren't your typical metal boxes. Their 20-foot container homes start at just $48,000, offering 160 square feet of surprisingly stylish living space. Each unit includes a full kitchen, bathroom, and living area with high-end finishes like tile backsplashes and luxury vinyl plank flooring. What makes alternative living spaces stand out is their build time, just 8 to 12 weeks from order to delivery. And since they're built in shipping containers, transportation is straightforward and affordable to almost anywhere in the country. If you need more space, their 40-foot models provide 320 square feet starting at about $90,000 with options for separate bedrooms and larger living areas. Perfect for those who appreciate industrial modern aesthetics with a touch of luxury. Number 7. Boxable, Las Vegas, Nevada. At number 7, we have one of the most innovative companies in the housing industry, Boxable. Their flagship product, the Casita, is a 361-square-foot studio home that ships folded up and unfolds on site in about an hour. Yes, you heard that right, 1 hour. Priced at $60,000, the Casita comes fully equipped with a kitchen, bathroom, and open living space. The 9.5-foot ceilings make it feel surprisingly spacious, and the construction quality is impressive. Built to withstand hurricane-force winds and heavy snow loads. Now, I should mention that Boxable currently has a significant wait list, but they're rapidly scaling up production. What makes them worth the wait is their revolutionary approach to housing. These units can be stacked and connected to create larger homes as your needs change. Number 8. Tiny Heirloom, Portland, Oregon. Number 8 on our list is Tiny Heirloom, a company that's been featured on HGTV and is known for their luxury tiny homes. While some of their custom builds can exceed our $100,000 threshold, their signature series starts at $65,000. What sets Tiny Heirloom apart is their craftsmanship and financing options. They offer in-house financing, which is rare in the tiny home industry. and they even accept trade-ins of cars or RVs toward your purchase. Their homes feature high-end materials and appliances with options for main floor bedrooms, full-size bathtubs, and custom cabinetry. They ship nationwide and can build to either RVIA certification standards or as permanent ADUs, depending on your needs. Number 9. Escape Traveler, Rice Lake, Wisconsin. Coming in at number 9 is Escape Traveler, whose eVista model starts at just $37,500, making it one of the most affordable options on our list. Founded in 1992, Escape has been perfecting their designs for decades. What I love about Escape Homes is their emphasis on natural light. Their panoramic windows and open floor plans make even their smallest models feel spacious and connected to the outdoors. Forbes called them the most beautiful tiny houses in the world, and it's easy to see why. Their homes are RVIA certified, meaning they're technically RVS, which can simplify financing and placement in some areas. But don't let that fool you. These are built for full-time living with high-quality materials and four-season insulation. Escape also offers an EVAS package with solar panels and battery storage for those interested in off-grid living. And if you want to try before you buy, they have rental locations across the country where you can experience tiny living firsthand. Number 10. Studio Shed, Louisville, Colorado. At number 10, we have Studio Shed, which takes a different approach to affordable housing. Their shell kits start at just $20,000, and their fully finished ADUs, accessory dwelling units with bathrooms and kitchens, range from $60,000 to $100,000, depending on size and features. What makes Studio Shed unique is their panelized construction system. The components are manufactured in their Colorado facility, then shipped flat-packed for assembly on site. This means lower shipping costs and faster installation, typically just days rather than months. Their designs are modern and minimalist, with an emphasis on sustainability. They use FSC-certified lumber and focus on energy efficiency with options for upgraded insulation and solar power. Studio Shed is particularly ideal for homeowners looking to add an ADU to their property, either as a rental unit, guest house, or in-law suite. They provide comprehensive support through the permitting process, which can be one of the biggest hurdles in ADU projects. Number 11 on our list is Incredible Tiny Homes, offering some of the most affordable options starting at just $25,000. Their Incredible Ace model, available in 8 feet or 10 width, has quickly become one of their most popular designs. They offer both turnkey homes and workshop experiences where you can help build your own tiny home alongside professionals. A great way to save money while learning valuable skills. Their homes feature practical layouts with clever storage solutions, full kitchens, and comfortable living spaces. The company also offers double-wide options starting at $50,000 for those wanting more space while maintaining a reasonable budget. Based in Newport, Tennessee, Incredible Tiny Homes has also developed several tiny home communities, including Falls Creek, where buyers can place their homes in a supportive environment with like-minded neighbors. For those seeking an affordable entry point to tiny living with a strong community aspect, Incredible Tiny Homes delivers exceptional value. Number 12. Tumbleweed, Tiny House Company, Colorado Springs, Colorado. At number 12 is the oldest and perhaps most recognizable name in the tiny house movement, Tumbleweed Tiny House Company. Founded in 1999, they've been perfecting their craft longer than anyone else on this list. Their base models start around $85,000, which is on the higher end of our affordable range, but the quality and resale value justify the investment. Tumbleweed homes are green certified and built with eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems. Their designs include clever storage solutions, comfortable sleeping areas, often with dormers for added headroom, and full kitchens with apartment-sized appliances. All Tumbleweed homes are RVIA certified, which can simplify financing and insurance. They also offer extensive design feedback during the building process, ensuring your tiny home perfectly fits your lifestyle and needs. Number 13. Tiny mountain houses. Salem, Oregon. Coming in at number 13 is Tiny Mountain Houses from Oregon, offering turnkey tiny homes starting at $50,000. With over 15 different floor plans to choose from, they provide options for various lifestyles and family sizes. What makes Tiny Mountain Houses stand out is their focus on single-level living. Many of their designs feature main floor bedrooms, eliminating the need to climb into a loft, a significant consideration for many in our audience. Their homes are built to road-legal width, 8.5 feet, making transportation straightforward to anywhere in the U.S. or Canada. The construction quality is excellent, with spray foam insulation, quality appliances, and attractive finishes like cedar accent walls and barn doors. Tiny Mountain Houses also frequently runs promotions and occasionally has inventory units available for immediate purchase. Perfect if you don't want to wait through a build process. Number 14. Trueform Tiny, Eugene, Oregon. At number 14, we have Trueform Tiny, known for their beautiful, design-forward tiny houses starting around $70,000. While they can build luxury models exceeding our price threshold, their smaller Kootenai model offers exceptional quality at an accessible price point. What sets Trueform apart is their status as Passive House certified builders, meaning their homes achieve extraordinary energy efficiency. Their designs feature real wood siding, high-grade insulation, and premium finishes throughout. They offer both standard 8.5-foot wide road legal models and wider park models up to 10.5 feet. Their online design tool allows you to customize your home and see pricing in real time, making the process transparent and user-friendly. For those who prioritize design aesthetics and sustainability, Trueform delivers some of the most beautiful tiny homes on the market without breaking the bank. Number 15. Mint Tiny House Company, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And finally, number 15 on our list is Mint Tiny House Company. Though based in Canada, they deliver throughout the United States and offer exceptional value with base prices starting around $70,000 US. Mint stands out for their versatility, building homes from 22 feet up to 44 feet long, with widths ranging from standard 8.5 feet to park model widths of 14 feet. Some models even feature slide-outs to increase living space when parked. All Mint homes are RV/IA certified, ensuring they meet safety standards and simplifying financing options. Their online floor plan configurator makes it easy to visualize and customize your design before purchasing. Their homes feature full kitchens with propane or electric appliances, combo washer, dryers, and thoughtful storage solutions throughout. They're also built for four-season living with excellent insulation for both cold Canadian winters and hot southern summers. As we've seen, affordable tiny homes have come a long way in recent years. These 15 builders are creating beautiful, functional spaces that challenge our assumptions about how much house we really need and how much it should cost. Whether you're looking to downsize, reduce your environmental footprint, or simply find an affordable path to home ownership, there's never been a better time to consider tiny living. With options starting under $50,000, these homes offer a level of financial freedom that's increasingly rare in today's housing market. I hope this guide helps you navigate the exciting world of tiny homes. Remember, the best tiny home isn't necessarily the biggest or most expensive. It's the one that best fits your lifestyle, budget, and values. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on alternative housing solutions. I'd also love to hear about your experiences with tiny homes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.